Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how assembly code relates to games like Marvel Rivals. First, it's important to understand that assembly code is a very low-level language, essentially direct instructions for a computer's processor. While games ultimately run on these instructions, developers primarily write them using higher-level languages such as C++ or C#. This approach makes game development much more efficient and manageable for projects involving hundreds of thousands or even millions of lines of code. Assembly code forms the foundational layer that your computer's processor understands. When game developers write code in languages like C++ or C#, these are then compiled down into assembly code, and finally into machine code, which the hardware executes. This complex translation is managed by sophisticated software tools. For players, directly accessing or modifying a game's assembly code is not a standard or supported feature, as it's deeply embedded within the game's compiled executable files. Instead of assembly code, players typically interact with games through official channels for customization. Many games provide dedicated modding tools, allowing players to create new content like characters, maps, or items. Others might offer scripting interfaces, enabling users to write code in specific, higher-level languages to modify game behavior. These supported methods ensure game stability and a fair experience for everyone, offering a wide range of creative possibilities within defined boundaries. Game developers intentionally restrict direct access to core game code, including assembly, for several critical reasons. This protection is vital for maintaining game integrity, preventing widespread cheating, and safeguarding against malicious exploits that could ruin the experience for legitimate players. It also ensures the game remains stable and functions as intended across all platforms. Furthermore, it protects the developer's intellectual property and the intricate design of their game, which represents countless hours of work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.